India lives in villages. The villages in India experience unique problems with regard to their day-to-day living, disposal of variety of waste, and mobilizing firewood fuel are their recurring problems. In the Indian villages, the organic matters like cow dung or kitchen waste that is available in plenty can be used for the production of biogas. In this way, on one hand, we can dispose the waste safely, and on the other hand, we can generate energy from the biogas, which can be utilized for cooking food or running engine for domestic or agriculture purposes. As a byproduct, we also get digested slurry that can be used as organic manure in the field. First of all, we select a site for the construction of Deen Bandhu biogas plant. The site should be at an elevated and clean place. It should be near to the cattle shed and the kitchen. The size of the biogas plant may vary from small to large. The size of the biogas plant depends upon the availability of the raw material. For producing 1 cubic meter of biogas, 25 kilograms of cow dung and 25 liters of water is required every day. For the construction of 4 cubic meter capacity of biogas plant, the material required are 2000 bricks, 18 bags of cement, 100 cubic feet stone chips, 100 cubic feet sand, 6 feet long pipe having 6-inch diameter and 1.5 feet gas outlet pipe of 1-inch diameter. Similarly, for constructing a 6 cubic meter biogas plant, we require some extra material as shown in the table. As per the size of biogas plant, mark a circle on the ground which is at least 2 feet bigger than the actual size of the biogas plant. For constructing the 6 cubic meter biogas plant, the diameter is kept 16 feet, and for the 4 cubic meter plant, the diameter is 15 feet. Once the construction material is procured, we start construction of biogas plant. Firstly, we dig a circular pit for the construction of digester of biogas plant. Another pit is dug by the side of main circular pit for the construction of outlet of the plant. The digester pit is dug 3.5 feet deep. Now we mark a circle as per the actual diameter of the digester of the proposed biogas plant. After marking the diameter, we further dig a semi-spherical pit which acts as a foundation of the digester. The foundation of the digester is laid by putting a 3-inch thick concrete layer in the ratio of 1:2:4. While putting the concrete layer, we maintain the circular slope. After completion of the foundation, we start the construction of the upper part of the Deen Bandhu biogas plant. For the construction of the upper part of the plant, we fix a wooden stick at the center for measuring the actual radius of the digester. First layer of bricks is laid on the foundation of the digester, which is 9 inches thick. Further bricks are laid in 4 inches size. By the construction of 4-inch size wall, gradually an arc is developed and construction goes one by one till the top. In order to keep the radius constant, we always measure the radius with the help of a stick. After 3 layers of construction, a 6-inch diameter and 6 feet long inlet pipe is fixed. After the construction of 15 layers, slurry of cement is applied for plugging any possible pores. After this, 1-inch layer of plaster is applied on the outer surface. Similarly, 1-inch thick plaster in 1:3 mortar mix is done from the inner side. Above 15 layers, another 10 layers are laid by using 1:4 ratio of mortar mix. Counterweights are also applied for the stabilization of the wall. Next to it, the sizes of the bricks are kept 3/4 at the top. For the closing of dome, shuttering is done from inside and then gas outlet pipe is fixed. After the construction of biogas plant, outlet tank is constructed. The size of the outlet tank is 10 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. 2 outlet pipes are fixed in the outlet tank to drain out the excess of slurry. Similarly, a circular inlet chamber is constructed to feed the biogas plant. After the completion of the biogas plant, we make a connection of the biogas plant to the kitchen. Now, in order to make the Deen Bandhu biogas plant operational, the digester is fed with 200 cubic feet of cow dung mixed with 200 liters of water. The biogas generation starts within 1 week's time after the initial feeding. After this, we feed the plant with cow dung and water every day to get continuous biogas supply. The Deen Bandhu biogas plant has proved to be a boon for the farmers, which provide biogas as a fuel for cooking, running engine and organic manure as a byproduct for agriculture purposes.